Hi, my name is Aditya. In this video, we're going to talk about the Amazon Echo Show 5 device. So this is a smart speaker, but it also gets a smart display. Now what this means is that you have a lot of features that works through the Alexa voice assistant, but now with the display, you can also see a lot of things. So let's say if you want to watch a video on one of the streaming platforms, you can do that. And you also have this ability that you can watch and do video calls through the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone and get the screen view on this device. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Echo Show 5 from Amazon. So this here is the Echo Show 5 box. As you can see, it's quite smaller than the ones that we've seen before from Amazon, and that's primarily because this device is much smaller as well. So a 5-inch display means that you get a smaller device, but the capabilities are still there, and Alexa makes sure that you get a lot of features and capabilities that are going to make sure that you get the best out of this device. So in terms of the device and the box now, the features that they've mentioned on the box is that it supports Alexa, the voice assistant that is from Amazon, so you get a lot of capabilities, services are available, and you can access a lot of apps like news apps, food delivery apps, and even hail cabs through different kind of apps that's there in the market. Then you have wireless connectivity through Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is something that is used for wireless connectivity, and you can make sure that you connect through different devices without hassle of cables. And just in case if you want to try that out, that's always there as an option. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and you can enable that. Wi-Fi is something it's really important for the smart devices to work, because smart devices run on the internet ecosystem and Amazon services are available through internet. So without a active Wi-Fi connection, the speaker won't work. So make sure that the Wi-Fi is always connected, in addition to the power source, because these speakers run on power source. So make sure that you use the power adapter to connect them all the time. Then you have this audio line out. So now audio line out is also, Amazon is a brand which has made sure that you get wired support for these kind of devices. So let's say if you're not really comfortable doing the wireless bit, you can also do this through the 3.5mm connector that is available in the market. And then you have a built-in camera cover. Now because this has a display, it also has this camera, and through which you can also enable video calling capabilities. But a built-in camera cover means that you can actually make sure that the camera is not actively looking at you or your surroundings all the time, and you can just press it. This is more of a privacy feature that Amazon is offering with the Echo Show 5. Now let's open the box and see what all you get inside the box. So first up, you have this device over here. So this is the Echo Show. It's got this 5-inch display, and it's got this camera over here, and it's got this camera cover at the top, and you have this volume controls and the microphone button off that we've already talked about. Then you have these documents, you have the warranty card, and then you have the smart, basically a smart quick startup guide. So now the quick startup guide is primarily something, a smart speaker ecosystems are very new in the market right now. So not everyone is used to or is in habit of using these devices. So how do you use these devices? How do you sign into your Amazon ID, and how do you download the Alexa app to your smartphone? What all features are available? How do you avail those features? How do you avail those services? How do you let's say download the news app and watch stuff on the device? So all those things are given through the quick startup guide, and it primarily helps you set up this device, get you started, and get more comfortable in the ecosystem. Then you have the warranty card, and then you have the safety guide. Now these are electronic devices, they run through power, so safety guide is something which is essential, and brand like Amazon make sure that you get them inside the box so that you read through all the parameters, safety parameters, and make sure that you don't do the ones which are not to be done. In addition to this, you have the adapter. As we mentioned that this runs through power, so you need this black color adapter. It's neatly wrapped inside this case, and you have this black color cable. This is the power cable, and this point goes to the back of the speaker, and then this one is a 30-watt power adapter that this goes to the power source, power socket that you have in your house. So this works on a standard power socket, so that's not really going to be a problem. So these are all in terms of the features and the stuff that you get inside the box with the Echo Show 5 from Amazon. So as you can see, Amazon is making sure that if you're new to the Echo Show ecosystem, then you have this quick startup guide inside the box. It lets you get started, get understanding of the ecosystem, how the sign-in works, how the Alexa app works, what all camera capabilities you have, how does the microphone work. Let's say if you want to watch some video on the speaker, how does that work, what all apps let you do that on the speaker, so on and so forth. And then you have this power adapter through which the smart speaker works. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.